Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a web building showdown that every aspiring site creator needs to know about. Squarespace or WordPress? Which one is the best for you? So let's begin. Let's talk about Squarespace. It is an all-in-one platform that allows users to create professional websites, online stores, and portfolios without needing advanced technical skills. Now, if you wanted to get started here with Squarespace, just click on this button and you would be forwarded in this section. It will provide you a wide range of features, including customizable website templates, drag and drop design tools later, and integrated solutions to customize your site for blogging, e-commerce, marketing, and analytics. Now, once you have successfully created an account here, you should be able to receive a welcome email from Squarespace once you have successfully created an account here. And all you have to do is just click this button. You would be forwarded to your platform. All right, wait for it to load while Squarespace is setting up things for you. Now, once your dashboard has been loaded, you can simply click the edit button here if you wanted to start your edited website here in the website builder. But if you want to start from scratch, let's click exit for now and create a new website. All right, click on Squarespace. If you guys have already created a website in the past, we will be forwarded to the main dashboard. All you have to do is click this option right here. It will take us to the templates wherein we can choose from anything here. Let's click on skip for now. Now we can browse templates because Squarespace offers professionally designed templates for different industries and purposes. For example, of portfolios, blogs, e-commerce, and stores. We're gonna use something like maybe this one for now. Rotate. You can start with this design and you can choose from any of the sample color presets that best reflects your brand and identity. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. You would be forwarded to the main dashboard we're in. Again, we will have the website builder interface. Let's wait for it. And from here, you can rename your site like this. Click on continue. Let's skip this for now and get started. And one of the key features here in Squarespace is the intuitive drag and drop editor. By that we mean just click on the edit button, so you would be forwarded to the section right here, wherein you can have an option to drag elements in the left side panel of your dashboard. Right? Click the add block, you can add text right here. All right, add another block. For example, an image if you want. And of course, you can also add another block right here. You can drag and drop all of these: video, audio, accordion, shape, line, and a lot more. In the upper right corner, you would notice that there is a site styles. That means you can customize all of the themes, the heading font style, the colors, and the buttons. Right? This is the mobile view of your website to check if its responsiveness, be it for mobile view or the desktop view. So you have all these. Once you are happy with it, all you have to do is click on save. And now the most important part of this is going to the left side panel of your dashboard, because you might wanna make sure that this is registered. Click on the domains and email. You can choose from managing domains from Squarespace or other domain sellers, or sign up for Google Workspace on a monthly or annual subscription. So we have a separate video on how to do this that you might want to check in our channel. Now let's go to our next contender, which is now WordPress is a popular content management system or CMS that enables users to create, manage, and customize websites without needing extensive coding knowledge. Now, let me tell you that it powers over 40% of all websites on the internet, making it one of the most widely used platforms for building websites. If you wanted to get started with WordPress.com, click this button right here, and you would be forwarded to this option wherein you can simply create your account using your Google, your Apple, your GitHub, and with your email. Now you should be able to receive a welcome email from WordPress.com, and then all you have to do is click this button to log you to the main dashboard. Just wait for it a little bit well, things has been loaded up for you. Now, once you are inside the WordPress.com platform, you would notice that one of the key features is that basically WordPress.com is an open source platform, and it offers thousands of themes. Where you can find it, all I have to do is go to the upper left corner where you can manage your sites right here. All right, so this is going to be the site. If you want to change the theme, click on it and you would be forwarded here. Again, you can choose from any of thousands of free and premium themes for customizing the design of your website. Right here. You can choose from blog, portfolio, business, store, design. There's a lot. And when you hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, you might want to click on the plugin section, because if you do, you will be forwarded to these 60,000 plugins available to add features like SEO tools, e-commerce, forums, and social media integrations. Now, these plugins will help you extend the functionality of your website without requiring coding. All right, it's very easy to use. And again, it's very flexible in terms of that you can create any type of websites, including blogs, portfolios, and online stores, business websites, forums, and more by using all these plugins available for you in the plugin directory here in WordPress. Not only that, it has a built-in WooCommerce in the left side panel of your dashboard, wherein if you click this, you should have an access to set up a store and start selling online. All right, set up a new store in minutes, get secure payments and configurable shipping options and more by clicking this small button here. All I have to do is provide an address to accept payments and just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, we have been using WordPress and Squarespace both at the moment. So let me tell you that you might want to choose WordPress over Squarespace if you are looking something that you need a full control, scalability, and of course the customization, which is best for complex sites like large e-commerce sites or tech-savvy users. Because WordPress has a steeper learning curve, it requires technical knowledge or willingness to learn, and you'll need to manage hosting, updates, security, and backups. All right, so that's one of the few considerations. Now, you might want to choose Squarespace if you want a quick, polished, and low-maintenance website with minimal technical effort, which is if you're looking for a great portfolios, blogs, and small online stores. But the thing is, choosing between Squarespace and WordPress really depends on your specific needs, technical skills, and budget. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.